Now we go to Google, you can search for Pycharm download. It's going to take you to where we are right now on the screen. So from there, click on the first link, which is JetBrain. Yeah, jetbrain.com. Okay. So now we have two options here. We have the professional and we have the community. Now, this professional says for both scientific and web Python development with HTML, JS, and SQL support. Okay, and it's free 30 days trial available. That means we need to pay for that to have this kind of software on our system. Okay, but this is just the second one is community. It's pure Python development and it's free. So we go for community since we're using for Python alone. You understand? So let's just use it as it is. It's free. So you click on the download button and you have it in your system. Right now, I already have it on my system, so I won't download it again. So now we install it. So you can either double click on it or you right click and you open. Okay, click on run. Right, so yes. Okay, next. Now destination folder, which means where the PyCharm is going to be located on your system. You can change the path and you might leave it this way. All right, in this tutorial, I'm leaving it this way. So next, and here, PyCharm community editor. Yeah, let's have it on our desktop. Session with Py. Yeah. So let's next. So this might take some time, or probably it's going to take some time. Yeah. So I'm going to pause the video, and once it's done, we'll continue. Okay. So now it's installed. I'm going to click on the run, so like it can come up automatically itself for the first time. Then I click on finish. Okay. Yeah. All these tips might not there for now. So right now you have PyCharm installed on your system.